Are you seeing the WinCore Comm Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. To begin our WinCore Comm Library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the WinCore Comm Library, a foundational communications API Set Shim. It redirects localized low-level serial and parallel port management calls, SetCommState, GetCommTimeouts, to the localized kernel-based DLL core. Mandatory for localized specialized hardware controllers to communicate via localized COM ports. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including WinCore Comm Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the WinCore Comm library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Using an incorrect or unverified version of WinCore Comm Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references WinCore Comm Library Management. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including WinCore Comm Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.